Stop scrolling if you have a hook and some scrap yarn, and afternoon you are sitting on a gold mine. We have all seen the massive tote bag that take 20 hours to finish. But today we are thinking small. In a world of Etsy and Shopify, micro trends are the biggest earners. I am talking about mini crossbody bags, airport pouches, and emotional sport. Trinket bags, they are fast to make, cheap to ship, and incredibly addictive to collect. Today I am showing you 20 plus designs ideas that are guaranteed to shop the scroll and turn likes into sales. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the botanical bloom. Nature inspired minds are evergreen sellers. Think strawberry drawstring pouch, they are viral sensation because they use simple increasing and decreasing to get that perfect berry shape. Don't just sell the bag, sell the vibe. Add a little leaf keychain or a green wine strap. Try a peeling orange coin purse where the zipper acts as the segment. These tactile 3D design photograph beautifully for Shopify banners and Instagram reels. People don't just buy these because they need a bag. They buy them because they are art. Next, we are hitting the nostalgia button. Retro is huge on Etsy right now. We are seeing a massive resurgence of the mode look. The checkered mini, a simple two-color tapestry crochet square. It's edgy, it's Gen Z friendly, and it's a great way to use up the leftover yarn. The micro granny. Instead of a full-size bag, use 2 or 4 classic granny squares joined together with a chunky top handle. If you are selling online, these are your entry-level products. Set a price point that make them an easy impulse buy. They are perfect gift for friend, item that drive traffic to your shop. Let's pause on the design for a second to talk about the perceived value. To sell on Shopify or on Etsy, you need to look finished. Lining is queen, a mini bag that doesn't stretch when you put the key in it. These are a 5-star review waiting to happen. Hardware matters. Swap out your yarn, strap for a goldmine lobster claw clasp or a dainty metal chain. It instantly elevates a $5 item into a $15 item. The unboxing factors also matters. Since these bags are small, your packaging can be part of the magic. A simple cotton dust bag or a handwritten note makes it so your customers feel like they have bought a designer piece, not just a hobby project. The secret to winning on Etsy and Shopify in 2026 isn't having 1,000 items, it's having one item in 5 amazing colors. Pick your favorite design from this video, make a bundle of 3 different colors and get them listed. Remember, done is better than perfect. Your future customers are out there waiting for your something handmade, unique, and most importantly, affordable. Which of these designs are you going to hook up first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.